26 Best Animation Software for Beginners. Default text free and paid. Software number 1. Visme free plan with limited features. Paid plans start at $12.25 month per user. Billed annually. Pros: all-in-one design tool packed with animation and interactivity features. Great for both non-designers and designers. Millions of free graphic assets inside the editor. Software number 2. Adobe Animate. Adobe Animate is a new and improved version of Adobe Flash Professional. The software lets you create interactive vector graphics and 2D animations for videos, ads, games, television, and more. You can animate characters, avatars, shapes, and other assets using Timeline Con. Software number 3. Adobe Character Animator. Adobe Character Animator is another one of Adobe's animation software stack, but unlike Adobe Animate, Character Animator lets you use motion capture to create live animations of your 2D characters. For example, you can create a character in Illustrator or Photo. Software number 4. Blender. Blender is an open-source video editing software that lets you have total control over your animations. The tool offers advanced command line and programming features for rendering, modeling, and creating 3D animations. It works across different operating systems, so you can use. Software number 5. Autodesk Maya. Autodesk Maya is a robust 3D animation, modeling, rendering, and simulation tool for creating expansive and immersive worlds, realistic characters, and sensational effects. The graphics animation software shines due to its top-notch and complete 3D production package and mod. Software number 6. Cinema 4D. When it comes to animated tools for motion graphics, Cinema 4D is an industry standard and powerful software for visual creators at all levels. The software is perfect for 3D, computer animation, modeling, simulation, and rendering. As a complete program for animation. You'll laugh. Software number 7. Toonz. Toonz is free. If you're looking for a professional animation tool without breaking the bank, Toonz is a great fit, although it's free and open source. The software has lots of features for creating multiple animation styles, whether you're a beginner or expert. Software number 8. Moho animation software. Moho Pro is a powerful, professional-grade animation software that can perform almost any task related to 2D vector animation. It's a perfect work tool for amateur and expert animators, hobbyists, and digital artists. Unlike other animated tools, Moho blends robust, includes language support for 6 languages: English, Spanish, French, Russian, German, and Japanese. Comprehensive content library full of characters, props, and backgrounds. Powerful vector drawing tools. Complete rigging system to enable users create easy-to-animate 2D puppets. Timeline, audio record. Software number 9. Unity is a 3D animation, CGI, and cinematics tool for film, television, and gaming. The animated tool comes in handy for collaborative iteration in real time. Rather than hours and days of rendering, Unity enables faster production with features like shared composition, accelerated. Software number 10. SideFX. Houdini realistic fire, smoke, fluids, particles, and solid simulations that are faster and easier to set up. Procedural modeling techniques for maintaining a robust construction history and creating complex models like cityscapes, environments, and more. Provides a complete suite. Software number 11. Procreate. More than just your basic animation software, Procreate features an extensive library of animated templates and thousands of pre-animated objects and characters. The tool lets you create animated ads, square videos, and even Facebook covers with no design skills. You can. Software number 12. Adobe Creative Cloud Express. If you're looking for a very basic animation software to create video posts for social media, Adobe Creative Cloud Express can help you do that. right from your phone. Use the Adobe Creative Cloud Express iOS app to create short videos with animated text. Software number 13. MyWall. His animated software is straightforward and incredibly easy to use. You don't even need to sign up to start editing a template. MyWall lets you design promotional posters, graphics, and videos using a large library of templates and stock videos. What makes MyWall? Software number 14. Pix Teller. Pix Teller's animation software is great for both business and personal use. It's a good alternative for a full-featured video editing tool. If you're looking for something more basic, you can create short animated videos in Pix Teller by setting frame-by-frame motions. And the software number 15. Animatron Studio. This is a great option if you're looking for a feature-rich animation tool. Animatron Studio offers a huge gallery of pre-animated elements and templates to help you create explainer videos, HTML5 banners, ads, and more. The customizability options are near endless. Software number 16. Biteable. If you want to create bite-sized animated videos like promos, ads, and social media videos, Biteable is a good option. It lets you share and download animated videos. By editing one of their pre-made templates, you can also look through thousands of stock footage, clips, and send. Software number 17. Animaker. Animaker is ideal for businesses and educators who want to create interactive presentations and videos. This animation software comes with a large library of templates and pre-animated elements, including illustrations, characters, and gestures. Software number 18. Canva. Canva is a popular online design tool that has recently introduced a few basic animation features. It lets you download your graphic designs as a GIF or video by choosing one of the 6 animation styles available in the app. Software number 19. Easil. Easil is another web-based design tool that also supports GIF downloads. However, the only way to make an animated GIF in Easil is by duplicating an image frame several times and making edits to each frame. Software number 20. Pencil 2D. Pencil 2D is an open-source animated software that lets you create 2D animated characters using vector drawing tools and traditional animation workflows. It works on all the popular platforms, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Software number 21. Powtoon. Powtoon is an online animation software that lets you create fun, interactive videos with animated characters and pre-made graphic assets. It's a great tool for making video presentations, explainer videos, and whiteboard animations. Software number 22. Procreate. Clip Studio Paint is an all-in-one animation solution that lets you create comics, general illustration, and 2D animation. The software is compatible with macOS, Windows, iOS, iPad, Android, and Chrome OS. Thus, if you can manage to use its slightly confusing user interface. Software number 24. Selection 2D. Selection 2D is another powerful animation tool that gives you all the quality of handcrafted animation with 4 editions available: Studio, Professional, Animator, and Educational. The animation software has something for everyone. The tool interoperates well with Auth. Software number 25. Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio is a more robust tool than the other open-source and free animation software in the market. It gives you advanced controls that help you create high-quality animation exceptionally quickly. It's a tweeness animation system designed to speed up the animation. Software number 26. KeyShot. KeyShot is an easy-to-use, advanced, simplified animation software that helps users create photorealistic, scientifically accurate animations. The tool is well known for its high-quality 2D and 3D animations without an additional graphics card. Additionally, it supports 30+